As lawmakers continue to look into the Veterans Affairs scandal, one U.S. senator wants to bring in a judge. He says veterans should be able to sue VA workers. ABC 12's Washington Bureau Chief Jacqueline Policastro has the story.
Pennsylvania Senator Pat Toomey told me this is all about holding people accountable, saying he's going to get to the bottom of the VA scandal. Outrage is only getting stronger inside the U.S. Capitol as lawmakers grapple with how to fix the broken VA system.
People who willfully misrepresented, lied about veterans' health status, or put them falsely on a list for the sake of their own bonus and delaying care that resulted in some cases in deaths. This is really serious stuff.
Serious enough that Senator Pat Toomey thinks veterans should have the right to sue individual VA employees.
We go way overboard in giving all kinds of protections to people who should be held accountable and should be fired if they do something wrong.
To be clear, the senator isn't talking about suing the federal government. He says that would take the responsibility away from the employee who commits the wrongdoing. Toomey said he thinks the threat of a lawsuit will keep future VA employees in check.
If that risk of financial liability were in place, then an employee of the VA would never consider doing the kinds of things that have happened.
Toomey says he wants to give veterans a choice when it comes to care, something other senators are also considering.
If they can't get into the VA, if they're not getting adequate service, if they're not satisfied with it, if it's too far away from them, they ought to be able to choose a non-VA hospital.